Get excited about the 2019 Lexus GX 460. It features an automatic transmission, four-wheel drive, and a powerful 8-cylinder engine. Lexus prioritized handling and performance with features such as a blind spot monitoring system, a headlight cleaning system, illuminated running boards, skid plates, and power front seats. Everything is where it ought to be, from the dashboard controls to the door locks and window controls. Rear passengers enjoy the seat heating functionality, keeping them warm during the winter months. For drivers who enjoy the natural environment, a power moonroof allows an infusion of fresh air. Audio features include a CD player with MP3 capability and 9 speakers, providing excellent sound throughout the cabin. Lexus ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as front and rear side impact airbags, ignition disabling, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. For added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.